This is KSS, the KTEK SMART SWITCH. It comes in both offline or hybrid. The hybrid is the combination of both online and offline. In this demo we are using the offline type, is button controlled, remote controlled, mobile app or web app controlled through your smartphone, tablet or PC, daytime mode controlled, ready state and many other functions. This is the true boss in smart switches. Now let's remove the manual switch and install our smart switch. It's very easy to install. Please check out our installation guide. After installing, turn on the safety switch. Now let's use the buttons to turn on and off the lights. These buttons are really nice to touch. Next, let's connect our PC and smartphone to the KTEK Smart Switch hotspot. By default, the hotspot names are like KSS 01, 02. You can also change it to your preferred name at the configuration settings. Right now I'm using my laptop to control the KTEK Smart Switch. Now let's use our phone. You can see both the laptop and phone are updated automatically. At hotspot mode, it can handle up to 5 different devices at once. At this point you can control it from the comfort of your bed, kitchen, bathroom, outside your house. As far, you are still connected to the KSS hotspot. In an hotel setting, receptionists can help clients turn on and off their lights from their PC. KSS will work with many remotes. Check out our manual for more. Now I am pressing my select remotes buttons, no effects, so let's configure it at the configuration settings. You can use up to 6 different remotes. In this demo I am using just 2, but 1 remote is enough. Click on the configuration settings and enter your default access key. You get access denied if you enter wrong access key. Please refer to KSS manual on settings. Press your selected remotes buttons and configure. A one-time encrypted remote ID will be generated. Now press the configure buttons. The UI get updated on the app as you can see, as you freely use your remote to control your lightings. Now let's use date time activation function to control lightings. Pick your selected channel and use either date or time mode. Enter your time on and time off. For this demo, channel 2 and 3 will turn on at 4 p.m. Now is turned on. The time is also shown on the app and off at 4:02 p.m. As you can see, now let's deactivate date time mode to activate ready state effect. For this demo, channel 1 is activated for ready state and change from hotspot mode to Wi-Fi mode. This will give you more long-range control. Now in Wi-Fi mode, connected to the home network, with channel 1 is turned on. The security at the gate is controlling the lightings with their phones as far they are connected to the home network.
If you need a special security or home automation project for your homes, suite, hotel, short-let, luxury apartment, B&B, call us, WhatsApp us or Telegram us on the number you see on your screen. You can also reach us through our website or any of our social media handle. KTEK Technology at its best.